Hey, I want you to imagine something real for a second. The moment you sit down to play, create, or just get things done and your laptop actually keeps up with you. That shift from compromise to confidence is exactly what you get with the ROG Zephyrus G14. This machine is built for someone who's outgrown almost enough. You're not impressed by average FPS, you don't want to close tabs to save memory, and you've had that sting of waiting on loads more times than you'd admit. If that sounds like you, take a moment and check the current price and stock before availability changes. There was a time when I thought my last laptop was fine, until I booted up something demanding and it faltered. That moment when you feel the lag, hear the fans ramp up, and realize you're forcing performance instead of experiencing it, that was my wake-up call. Moving to this Zephyrus G14 changed everything. The relief came in how silently smooth everything became, how little hesitation there was, and how it felt like the machine was thinking ahead of me instead of catching up. Picture this, ultra-crisp 3K OLED visuals that make every game, every video, every workspace feel alive. That 120Hz refresh doesn't just boost numbers, it gives the sputtery fluidity to motion that you'll notice every time you look at the screen. And with Ryzen AI 9HX and RTX 5080 power under the hood, even the most demanding tasks feel immediate and controlled. You'll feel that responsiveness the first time you load a massive game world and it just lands without stutters. You'll feel it again when you're juggling creative apps, rendering timelines, and switching between windows without a second thought. This isn't raw specs, this is performance that feels smart and willing. And if you're hesitating because isn't that overkill? Let me flip that for you. Once you taste what uncompromised power feels like, every weaker option feels like a step back. That confidence in your hardware becomes something you don't want to give up. What really surprised me wasn't just the speed, it was how effortless it felt after a long session. Cooler, quieter, more composed than anything I'd used before. That's the kind of benefit you don't expect until you live with it. Owning a machine like this changes your routine. You don't dread heavy loads anymore. You trust your setup. You feel competent, equipped, ready. Sharper gaming visuals that pull you in, instant responsiveness under serious workloads, seamless multitasking without hesitation, OLED brilliance that makes every color pop, power that lasts through years of use. It's a premium machine with a premium price. Battery life isn't the longest when fully stressed. At some point you stop debating specs and just choose the laptop you come back to in your mind again and again. Don't let this be the one you wait on and later regret not grabbing when you had the chance. If you want performance that feels alive, fluid, and undeniably ready for anything you throw at it, check the ROG Zephyrus G14 while stock and pricing are favorable. This is the kind of upgrade that rewards you the moment you open the lid.